Guys, look at how creamy this thing is. Look at the texture, how smooth it is. Feels like yogurt. So creamy, and it's so tasty as well. I remove the water just to drink a bit. It's so sweet, so medicinal. So this is my basket of soursop. Look at how big this basket is. There's a lot of soursop in there, so I'm going to be bringing them all out. Look at that. I'll bring them all out and arrange them. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. I'll a lot of soursop. And so before extracting the fiber from my soursop, I'm going to wash it first of all. Guys, look at how creamy this thing is. Look at the texture, how smooth it is. Feels like yogurt. So creamy, and it's so tasty as well. So creamy and so tasty. I'm still going to use the pulp later. I'm going to add it to my smoothie. I'm going to use it to bake a soursop cake. Taking that to another level entirely, but I just want to let you know that nothing here is wasted. Like, nothing here is wasted. This is the best thing ever. I'm so pumped. Look at that. Just look at the consistency. Can you see it? I don't know how close I can get again, but this is just mind-blowing. Wow. In the fridge. I'm excited. Okay. Guys,